The Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on the planet, is a creature shrouded in mystery and awe just like the dragons of Dragonstone. Found only on a few small islands in Indonesia, these apex predators are known for their impressive size, ferocity, and unique adaptations that have allowed them to thrive for millions of years. In this video, we will uncover the top 10 most interesting and uncommon facts about Komodo dragons that will leave you speechless as Daenerys when she hatched Drogon, Rhaegal, and Viserion. From their venomous bite to their incredible speed and voracious appetite, prepare to be amazed by these awe-inspiring reptiles. Make sure to watch to the end for a shocking bonus fact. 1. Death by venom, the deadly bite of the Komodo dragon. When it comes to hunting, the Komodo dragon has a unique advantage: their venomous bite. Contrary to popular belief, it's not the bacteria in their mouth that causes the death of their prey. In fact, scientists have discovered that the saliva of Komodo dragons contains a lethal mix of toxins that can cause paralysis, blood loss, and ultimately lead to death within hours. This makes the Komodo dragon one of the deadliest predators on the planet, and a fascinating creature to study. 2. Run like the wind, Komodo dragons' impressive speeds. Komodo dragons may look like lumbering beasts, but don't be fooled by their size. These creatures are incredibly fast and agile when they need to be. In fact, they can cover a distance of up to 200 meters in just 30 seconds. This speed comes in handy when chasing prey or escaping from danger. 3. Insatiable predators, the voracious appetite of Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons are true eating machines, with a digestive system that is highly efficient in breaking down their massive meals. They can consume up to 80% of their body weight, which can be as much as 150 pounds, to be able to eat this huge amount of food in one sitting. They have a stretchy stomach that can expand to accommodate their meals, allowing them to swallow prey whole. After the meal, the digestion process can take up to several days to complete, during which time the dragon may be sluggish and less active. It's also interesting to note that despite their massive appetite, Komodo dragons can go without food for several weeks or even months, depending on the availability of prey in their habitat. 4. The nose, Komodo dragons' incredible sense of smell. Komodo dragons' sense of smell is not only impressive but also vital for their survival. They use it to detect carrion, which makes up a significant portion of their diet, as well as to locate potential mates. Their sense of smell is so acute that they can pick up the scent of prey from several miles away, even in the densest of forests. Furthermore, Komodo dragons possess a unique ability called the Jacobson's organ. This sensory organ is located in the roof of their mouth and allows them to detect pheromones and other chemical signals. They use this ability to identify potential mates and to navigate their territory. It's an essential tool that helps them survive and thrive in their harsh environment. Finally, it's worth noting that their sense of smell is so crucial to their survival that they have evolved a forked tongue to enhance their ability to detect and track prey. The tongue collects scent particles and then delivers them to the Jacobson's organ, allowing the Komodo dragon to analyze and determine the location of its prey. 5. The amazing regenerative power of Komodo dragon tails. Komodo dragons have an incredible ability to regenerate their tails, a feat that is rare among reptiles. When a Komodo dragon's tail is severed, the wound quickly clots to prevent excessive blood loss. Then, a new tail begins to grow from the stump, gradually regenerating the lost tissue. But the regeneration process is not instantaneous. It can take several months for the tail to fully regrow, and during this time, the dragon is vulnerable to predators and infection. However, once the new tail has fully developed, it is indistinguishable from the original in terms of function and appearance. Scientists believe that the regenerative ability of Komodo dragon tails may be due to their high concentration of stem cells. These cells have the ability to develop into different types of tissues, which enables the tail to regrow with remarkable accuracy. In addition to regenerating their tails, Komodo dragons also have the ability to heal quickly from other types of injuries. This resilience is thought to be due to the high levels of antimicrobial peptides in their blood, which help to fight off infections and promote healing. 6. More than just ground dwellers, Komodo dragons can climb trees. Komodo dragons are often thought of as land animals due to their large size and heavy build, but they are also capable climbers. Using their sharp claws, they can scale trees in search of food or to escape danger. This skill is especially useful for young Komodo dragons, who may need to climb trees to avoid being eaten by adult dragons or other predators. In addition to climbing trees, Komodo dragons are also skilled diggers. They use their strong front legs and sharp claws to dig burrows, which they use for shelter and protection. These burrows can be up to 10 feet deep, providing the dragons with a safe place to rest and escape the hot sun. 7. The surprising intelligence of Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons are often underestimated in terms of their intelligence, but these fascinating reptiles have been shown to possess a surprising level of cognitive ability. Studies have demonstrated that they are capable of learning from experience and using this knowledge to solve problems in their environment. One notable example of their intelligence is their ability to use tools. In captivity, Komodo dragons have been observed using sticks and other objects to manipulate their environment and reach food that would otherwise be out of reach. This is a behavior that is typically associated with higher-level primates, such as chimpanzees. Another indication of their intelligence is their ability to play with objects. In one study, researchers provided captive Komodo dragons with a ball to see how they would interact with it. To the researchers' surprise, the dragons showed a clear interest in the ball, nudging it with their snouts and even attempting to play with it. Overall, the intelligence of Komodo dragons is a fascinating aspect of these remarkable creatures, and further research may reveal even more surprising abilities. Despite their impressive climbing and digging abilities, Komodo dragons are not often seen engaging in these activities in the wild. This is partly because they are primarily scavengers and rely on their keen sense of smell to locate carrion on the ground. However, their climbing and digging skills make them more versatile predators and help them survive in their harsh, island environments. 8. Aquatic Abilities. The impressive swimming skills of Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons aren't just land animals, they're also powerful swimmers. Despite their large size and bulky build, these lizards can swim up to 300 feet in open water. Their powerful legs and long tails act as paddles, allowing them to move through the water with surprising speed and agility. In fact, Komodo dragons are such strong swimmers that they have been known to cross open water in search of food. They've been spotted swimming between islands in the Komodo National Park, which is home to the largest population of Komodo dragons in the world. But why do these primarily land-dwelling creatures need to be such good swimmers? One theory is that they may have evolved this skill as a way to escape predators or find new food sources. Additionally, swimming may allow them to reach otherwise inaccessible areas where prey may be hiding. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that the swimming abilities of these incredible lizards are truly impressive. 9. The secret communication of Komodo dragons revealed. In addition to their impressive physical attributes, Komodo dragons have developed a complex system of communication that allows them to interact with each other in a variety of ways. This system includes body language, vocalizations, and scent marking. Komodo dragons use body language to signal their intentions and establish dominance. They may puff out the throat and hiss as a warning to other dragons to stay away from their territory. They also use head bobbing, tail flicking, and other movements to communicate with each other. Vocalizations are another important part of Komodo dragon communication. They use a range of hisses, grunts, and other sounds to convey different messages. For example, they may hiss to signal aggression or grunt to indicate submission. Scent marking is also a key component of Komodo dragon communication. They use a special gland located on their tail to leave a scent trail, which can be used to attract a mate or mark their territory. Overall, the complex communication system of Komodo dragons is a fascinating example of the intelligence and social behavior of these incredible animals. 10. Aggressiveness of Komodo dragons, separating fact from fiction. Beware the Komodo dragon, for it is one of the most aggressive predators on the planet. With its powerful jaws and sharp teeth, this fierce creature can take down prey many times its size. And if that weren't enough, its venomous bite can be deadly to both animals and humans. Though these giant lizards generally avoid confrontation, they will not hesitate to attack if they feel threatened or their territory is encroached upon. So be warned, if you encounter a Komodo dragon in the wild, give it plenty of space and do not provoke it. Bonus fact: Recent research has shown that the blood of Komodo dragons contains compounds that have antibiotic properties. This discovery has led scientists to investigate these compounds further, with the hope that they may lead to the development of new antibiotics to fight drug-resistant bacteria. The researchers found that the blood of Komodo dragons contains peptides, which are short chains of amino acids, that have antimicrobial properties. These peptides were effective at killing a wide range of bacteria, including those that are resistant to currently available antibiotics. One of the most promising peptides is called DRGN1, which is a synthetic version of a natural peptide found in the blood of Komodo dragons. In laboratory tests, DRGN1 was able to kill several strains of bacteria, including those that are resistant to multiple antibiotics. While there is still much research to be done, these findings suggest that Komodo dragons may hold the key to developing new antibiotics to combat the growing problem of antibiotic resistance. As we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of Komodo dragons, we have learned that these creatures are much more than just fierce predators. Just like the dragons of House Targaryen, they are intelligent, agile, and have an arsenal of unique abilities that have enabled them to thrive for millions of years. From their venomous bite to their incredible sense of smell, these lizards have inspired scientists, researchers, nature enthusiasts, and novelists alike. As we continue to uncover new discoveries and learn more about these incredible animals, one thing is certain: the Komodo dragon will continue to capture our imaginations and amaze us with its remarkable adaptations and behaviors for years to come.